award-winning build design firm with over 25 years experience in the industry. We're one of the longest-standing members of Haven, almost 20 years. We specialize in design and build of different types of home projects. We completed hundreds of custom home designs, new custom builds, home renovations, multifamily projects like duplex and multiplex. We've got lots of experience. And let me introduce our speakers. Bruce is the integrator. He's the general manager. He's a building technologist and construction expert, and he has 30 years of experience in project management and construction. Eric Lee, he's our visionary and design director. He brings 30 years of experience in the industry. His success is his keen eye for detail and a commitment to quality and service. He oversees all projects and ensures every aspect of our business comes in harmony. And finally, Alan. He's a design manager, building technology and design expert, 15 years in the industry. Yeah, these are the three presenters today. So without further ado, let's start the seminar.
Now moving on to the city of Burnaby. My main responsibility as a design manager is to actually monitor all the municipalities for updates. And I've been waiting for this ever since the legislation came out. With the Bill 44, 46, 47, I want to see what that looks like. And so far, the two first municipalities that has the draft of this legislation is City of Burnaby and District of North Vancouver. Now, City of Burnaby actually has more information on their website, even though it's just a first draft. Like there's still a lot of things for them to consider, such as the multiplex requirements that Eric mentioned earlier. What they've given us is just very preliminary, because as you're aware, every municipality in BC is mandated to at least have a good zoning update by June 30 of this year. Okay, so for City of Burnaby, just like Vancouver again, in order for them to basically implement the whole multiplex type of housing, you're going to have to change something in the zoning regulation, and that's exactly what City of Burnaby is working on. Okay. Again, same as Vancouver, you're going to have to amalgamate all of those different zoning districts. They want to consolidate them all to one single zoning district, which they call they're going to be calling the R1. Let me see if I can get this right. Small scale multi-housing district. For Vancouver, it's R1-1 residential inclusive. As you can see, there's currently about 30,000 single family zone lots in the City of Burnaby. There's 30,000 potential, eventually, multi-family dwellings that you're gonna have. Other things that they're looking at within the zoning rewrite is actually removing the floor area ratio and the gross floor area. Now, if you're not familiar with that, it's essentially a ratio calculation, how to determine the size of the house that you can build on lot. And last but not least, design guidelines. The province discourages the use of development permit area guidelines because they're not in line with the provincial legislation requirements. Right? This good example of this is actually areas where, like an RS5, similar to RS5 in Vancouver before they converted it to R1, where you have to get like public input on the new design or new construction that's going to happen on that property. They're going to try to eliminate all of that, or like heights inclusions within the neighborhood. They're going to try to look at that as well. I believe our tenant in Burnaby has that, where the second story massing has to be a certain percentage of the main floor. Hopefully they're going to try to eliminate that as well. So that's what's inside that.